Fourth day na namin guys. Magtutour lang kami around Kuala Lumpur, then Batu Caves, then Petronas Tower. Bye bye.
From 3 January, I Lit You, which is something doing in conjunction in Pavilion and also linking all the way to the towers. So there will be major road closures. Usually they sit at
First stop, Museum Negara.
Okay, so this is our first bus in all Malaysia. We don't have express bus, we don't have working bus, we don't have factory bus, we don't have school bus, no tourist bus. Everything. Boom.
Ayun guys, may kabayo po oh. Kabilaan sila ng kabayo. Ayun guys, oh. Kakatakot yung mukha.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so this is actually the coat of arms, which means Perlembagaan Negara.
Just picture mo dito.
Tawagin mo si ano? Debbie! Debbie! Debbie, halika. Debbie!
Magkano daw yan?
How much?
35 each.
$35.
No discount?
Okay, stop. Let's go.
Ang init. Pero sigurado mas mainit pag balik Pilipinas. Oo nga. Oo nga.
You can see the view from here in Guam. Okay, you see this flagpole? This is the longest flagpole in Southeast Asia. 95 meters of height. Okay? When
Longest
you go up,
flagpole.
beautiful view. That one used to be
Taas nga.
for the British. They used to
River of Life. Blood. Hmm? Marikina River. Ano? Ito. Dito kami ngayon sa Chocolate Factory. May free taste kami. Oh. Alright. Ano, dinikit na lang sa akin. Sarap yun. Chocolate Kingdom. Free taste.
Give me sure white chocolate.
White chocolate.
White chocolate.
Oh, sorry. Nasaan yung bat? Nasaan? Nasala! Ang taas. Nakakasilaw. Nakakasilaw pero ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng kaliwa ko. Mulo laway ko. Masalo mo. Kiyo. Bye-bye vlog. Free photo booth here at Petronas Twin Towers.
Sa ilalim tayo ng Petronas.
Free lang. Petronas Twin Towers lang. Thank you. Salamat to. Ginaya niya ako. So ina-enjoy na lang namin yung last day namin bago bumalik sa Pilipinas naming mahal. Sa shopping na lang muna kami kasi wala pa kaming pasalubong eh. Wala pa nabibili para sa sarili. Bye-bye vlog. Food trip. Puno mo na.
Ramen boy.
Ha? Tara. Wow. Many food. Ano to? Sa'yo din?
Medyo din yan.
Ketchup.
Ba't mga walang lasa nyo?
Kainan na. Kain tayo. Oh. Kaya sobra sa taste good. Papa. Yun oh. Yun oh, chicken ligo.
Laki.
Nakakain namin. Dito namin sa bilihan ng pasalubong. Siyempre, kape. Excuse me po.
Okay?
Oh, ha? Ito lang yung Old Town. Ito lang yung Old Town, milk tea. Hindi dito.
So, tumatawag ako kung ano yung kuhan kasi may so, just feel mo.
Ito, yan na solid. Magkano Old Town? Ayun, mura na lang.
265. Pero depende sa ano.
What?
Natural sugar. Yung classic. Mas mura ang classic. Ay, alikapi pala yun.
White coffee yan eh. Wala yung iba, yung hazelnut. Hazelnut. Wala.
Mostly international.
Talo. Okay guys, wala mabibili. Bye-bye vlog. Ayun guys, nakita na ng bibilin. Mga kape. Punong-puno yan. Dami oh. Ayun guys. Putang ina.
Para tayong nasa ano. Limart.
Gulimart. Wala, nakabili namin ba sa lubong? Oh.
Pa, buffet, Filipino food.
Oh.
27. Ringgit.
Gala-gala. Chica baby. My brother.
Oh, my son. Oh, you remember my son? Yeah, where is he? He's rushing for his assignment. I couldn't join him.
Oh, it's okay.
I thought he's married.
Oh, you know what?
University. Yeah.
It's at the boundary between Vietnam and
Have you been to Vietnam yet?
Water panasa.
just plain water.
Di ba ito yun?
Lupit guys, oh. Yung ilog nila, nilagyan nilang LED. Ano, mosque. Wow, wow, wow. Malaysian Airport. Uwi na. Hello, Philippines. Ay. Ay. Taragis na yan. Focus sa galing, nag-focus ah. Ito. Planta. Bus terminal. Puputok na lang yan. Relis yung pakpak namin, nanginginig. Ha? Saan? Anong SM yan? Kulay green eh. Baka sa south yan. Ka mag-focus dyan. Pilipinas na. Ta 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 ta. Tarot tarot.
Gusto ko na umuwi.
Welcome back to the Philippines. What do you want to eat?
Lugaw. No joke, I want lugaw.
Philippine Air. It's as dirty as
Si Mama ayaw daw magkita.
Josh, bakit ka pumunta doon?
I don't know, sabi ng machine, red daw ako.
Wait.